back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I've created this very glamorous fall makeup look, and I've only used drugstore products, so it's a very affordable makeup look. And I've already uploaded a warm fall makeup look a couple of weeks ago, so definitely make sure you check out this video. I will leave the video link down below. And yeah, if you want to know how I've created this look, then just keep on watching. First I will just do my eyes and then the rest of my face, and for this I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer to prime my eyelids. And I just blend it out with this concealer buffer brush from Sony. As my eyeshadow palette today, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Roxy Ride or Die palette. It's from the drugstore, so perfect for this video. And to set my eyelid, I'm taking this very light color here. It's called Boo, and I'm just setting my eyelid with this color. It's not very visible, so perfect for setting my eyelid. And as my first transition shade, I'm taking this light brown color here called Cooking, and I just apply it into my crease with a little blending brush. And I just try to bring the eyeshadow a little bit outwards in something like a wing. Going in with this darker brown color here called Gingerbread, and also applying this onto my crease and just blend it into this light brown color. I really love using this color now for my fall makeup looks, because I think these colors are just perfect for fall. And for my outer corner, I'm just taking the red color here called Ariel, just to deepen up this eyeshadow look a little bit. And I also put a little bit here in the inner corner and blend it into the brown color. So now I'm taking a blender brush with the brown color on it, and I just blend these two colors together. And now I'm going in with this dark brown color here called Cola, and apply it with a very little blending brush, really just on the outer corner of the eye and here inside. So now I'm taking the same concealer again, and I put it on a flat brush and just apply it on the center of my lid. And then I'm just taking this glittery shade here called Cranberry, and I just apply it with my ring finger. Taking the blender brush again, and I just take this dark brown color again and try to blend all the colors together. And I'm also going in with this dark brown color again. You can totally leave this eyeshadow look like this, but I just want to add a little bit more glitter, and for this I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and the NYX glitter in the shade 07. And I'm applying the glitter glue in the center of my eyelid. And again, the really dark color here on the little blending brush, just to add a little bit more of it on the inner and outer corner. So for eyeliner, I'm taking the Curvitude eyeliner from Maybelline, and I just line my upper lash line. So sorry, but my camera died, but you haven't missed a lot. I've only lined my upper lash line and I did 2 little wings. And to make this look even more glamorous, I'm taking false lashes from Catrice. These are called the Extreme Volume Lashes. Sure that you can see the difference now, this side with falsies and this side without falsies, and what shall I say, these lashes just make my eyes really pop and make them even bigger. Lately I'm very into falsies because I think they complete every makeup look and I really enjoy using them. So, do you know what I mean? They just look so good and they make this eyeshadow look so much more dramatic than without lashes. But anyways, let's move on to the rest of my face. And for this I'm taking the HD Liquid Coverage Foundation by Catrice. And I just apply it with my damp beauty sponge from, I think it's also from Catrice, yes, it's the triangle sponge. It's a little bit too light, but I think I can fix this with bronzer later. And for concealer, I'm taking the Infallible Concealer from L'Oreal. And just put a little bit underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead, a little bit on my chin. Just add a little bit just on the very dark spots, especially here in the inner corners. And now I'm taking the concealer buffer brush from Zoeva. And to set the places where I put concealer on in place, I'm taking the Rimmel translucent powder. And a very nice thing is that it has such a little pad here inside. I don't know if it's called pad. I really don't know the name of this thing. And now I'm doing my eyebrows, but I will do them off camera because it takes forever and I'm not very good at it, so I will see you in a second. So, eyebrows are done, and now we'll just finish up the eyes, and for that I'm taking the same palette again and a little tiny brush, and I just use a mixture of this red shade and this brown shade. called Colo, and I only put it here on the outer corners. And for the inner corners, I'm taking the shade Yes. And for my lower lashes, I'm taking the same mascara again. So now the eyes are done and I really like how it turned out. So let's move on, and for bronzer I'm taking this Sun Glow bronzer from Catrice. And I just need a lot of this bronzer because I have the feeling that I look like a ghost right now because the foundation was a little bit too light. And for blush, I'm taking the Matte Touch blush from Essence in the shade 20 Berry Me Up. And for highlighter, I'm taking the Catrice Glow Highlighting Powder. And for my lips, I'm taking this Maybelline Super Stay Lip Gloss. And it's in the shade 50. And that completes the makeup look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!